the following fabrics. Use A to make the chevron pattern. Match up the squares. Pin 2 squares right sides together, sew around the square. Cut the square diagonally into quarters. Trim the edges and press the squares. Match them up, pin in place and sew together. Repeat with all the other colours. Pin and sew B to the top and bottom of A. Repeat for all the colours. Use a rotary cutter to trim and straighten up the pieces. Match up the chevron pieces, pin in place and sew together. Use C fabrics to sew the backing. Lay out the backing colours in the same order of the front pillow. Sew them together. With the front and back of the pillow, lay them right sides together and sew, leaving one end as an opening. Trim excess fabric with picking shears. Sew along the edge of the pillowcase a double folded seam.